Hello dear, this is wonderful news, according to many sources. HMD Global plans to launch various Nokia best smartphones in the upcoming years, most of which have already been tipped off, like the Nokia X400 Ultra. This time, we caught some information about the launch of a new handset under the name the Nokia X400 Ultra 5G 2023 is going to be published very soon. Here we have added the latest leaked specs of the phone. All the information given here below about the Nokia X400 Ultra 5G may be changed, because Nokia is building this phone. The Nokia X400 Ultra 5 is one of the latest smartphones 2023. It has so many awesome features. It has big storage and a big RAM in it. Also, this mobile has a great camera and a battery backup. Nokia X400 Ultra 5G 2023 smartphone will release with 208MP plus 50MP plus 48MP plus 12MP quad camera, 64MP front, 12/16 RAM, 7,800 mAh battery and many more. So, it is important to know its release date, price, full specification, key feature and review. We are now providing these on here, so don't wait and know about this smartphone completely. One of the first things you'll notice about the Nokia X400 Ultra 5 is its sleek, stylish design. The phone is available in two colors, midnight black and navy blue, and features a 6.8-inch OLED display. This large screen is perfect for watching movies and TV shows on the go, and with a resolution of 1340 by 2460 pixels, you can expect sharp, vibrant visuals.